What's up, guys? We are going to give you a quick update on the fish. Show you how the new pond cleared up. Everything's looking good there. Parameters are good. Fish are healthy. And I'm going to show you the fish I'm going to introduce into the ponds when the water warms up. We're at about 53 degrees right now, water temp. So I'm going to take some of the littler ones downstairs and get them in the pond this summer. So stand by, guys. Out here to give you a quick little update on the fish. So I'm going to shut down the air. And we're going to shut down this pressure filter. Let everything calm down. So you can see that everybody's doing pretty good. It's nice having the water cleared up again so you can actually see the fish. That's the rogue goldfish, the one that was originally in there. That's the white Arawaki, I do believe. The Sanki's right there. That's the Matsuba. I think I'm going to put the baby that was born last year in this pond with them. That's the mother. Then there's the Gormo swimming around back there. The Kohaku's doubled in size since I got it last year. And then there's the Showa. He's about doubled in size since I got him. And I'm trying to find little Mr. Ochiba. There he is. He's following the... I don't know if I can get him because he's so dark it's hard to see, but he is in there. Let's see if I get a different angle here. It's not really helping. He usually follows the goldfish around. He's staying away right now. But yeah, like I said, everything's coming along good with the pond. Parameters are good. Initially looking over the fish, doesn't look like anything was rough on them over the winter. No sores, nothing like that. So like I said, everything's doing good. Let's see the Ochiba. Let's see if I can zoom in. There he is, right there. Just that little black guy right there. But yeah, he's put on a little bit of size since I got him. I got him towards the end of the year last year, so there he is. But yeah, like I said, everybody's doing good. Stand by for more of the video, guys. Right there, that orangish Matsuba. That was the baby that was born in the filter system last year. He's a good 4 to 5 inches now, doing really well. That one there is my PetSmart koi, been doing really good. And then there's this little Sanki. Where did he go? There he is. Butterfly. Definitely a slow grower, but I think when I get that big pig and that one out into the pond next year, I think that, or I should say this summer, I think that Sanki will start putting on some size. Well, there you have it, guys. Like I said, it's been pretty busy. The weather, again, we're not totally into spring, so we still get some really cold days. So nothing's really taking off fully yet on the pond, but everything's going good. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. We're up to 320 subscribers, I think, if I remember right. And like I said, I hope to get plenty of more content out this summer. So as always, keep on improving, keep on investing. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.